Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Hey, today we're going to look at something really cool. This is the Kazi crane. This is a really cool big construction crane. Hey, I wish Lego still made something like this. This set comes with this really cool crane. It comes with two minifigs, some little odds and ends, and some string and a hook for the crane and the boom. And as you can see, I did not install that because I don't like the string. I'll probably put some fishing line in there or something. But don't be alarmed. Even if you see my Lego reviews that came with string, I hate the string and I usually don't use it. Remember the elevator in the Death Star? That was horrible. Never installed that elevator. In addition to looking really cool, this crane has a lot of movability and it is very sturdy. I particularly like the way the boom goes in and out and the outriggers to help keep it stabilized when you're lifting a heavy load. What do you think? Have you seen this crane before? Do you want it? It was very reasonably priced. Even though it's not Lego, this price just might tempt you because this is really cool, really sturdy, and this is the first one of these I've put together from Kazi or Kazi. I have never seen this brand before, but I am thoroughly impressed. Alright, so what do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section, and as always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.